All right, so the client gave us some graphics. I'm gonna try and incorporate it into a frame. Here's what I would do. I'm looking at this one. I'm gonna Control C, Control V to copy it. So Control V on this page and then resize it. So I'm gonna zoom out, grab that corner. And honestly, this one looks a bit like a frame. So I'm gonna press Enter to make that transition stick. So I'm gonna fix it a little here, press Enter, and it kind of looks like a frame already. So here's what I'm gonna do. I am going to go over here on the left. I'm going to select the color dropper. It looks white to me, but just to make sure it's the same color, select that white and then get a paintbrush. I'm going to make sure that it's hard, that it's large, and it's 100% opacity. And I'm actually going to paint over the text here because it's a solid color, super easy. I just want it to all be the same color so it's easy to erase. It may seem like an extra step, but you'll understand in a second. Okay, so it looks pretty good here. Then I am going to select color range, select this color in the middle, which appears to be white. You can see this little logo is also white. So I'm gonna go down here to this masking tool. It's the rectangle with a circle in the middle. And everything that's red is masked out. So I'm gonna paint over with my paintbrush over the white part of the logo because I want that to stay intact so that the only thing is this center that's selected right now. I am going to select the eraser tool. I want it to be quite large. And I'm just going to erase over the middle. So all of that is gone now. You can see the template underneath, but I'm just going to click the little eyeball so it disappears. And you can see the frame looks pretty good already. I'm going to delete this one. It's quite small, so I don't want it to be too grainy. And I'm going to get this logo here. So I Control C, Control V here. I'm gonna resize it and see where I can fit this, where it might look okay. I actually think this looks better at the top since there's a logo at the bottom. So I'm gonna make it just a little bit smaller, make sure it's center here, press Enter, and honestly, like I think that looks pretty good. So let's see. I'm going to File, Save As. I'm going to put in my date. So let's check here. I'm going to go back here. The date was March 21st, so I'm going to put my date in when I save it. So File, Save As, 2/25, put in the date here, and it's saved, and with the event Nora's frame here, Nora's home frame, and then PSD file. Click OK, and then that's going to save. Then I'm going to save the PNG file, save a copy, and then I'm going to have the same title here. I'm just going to get rid of that word copy. I'll know it's the PNG file. And save. I'm going to click OK. It's going to be that smallest file size here. And that's done.